Good morning, student. Today I am going to start new topic, that is resolution of a vector. So, what the actual meaning of resolution of vector? Resolution means what? Splitting of a vector. So, student, the process of splitting a vector into two or more vector in such a way that their combined effect is same as that of a given vector. The vector into which a given vector is splitted are called component vectors. And student, new topic, that is what? Rectangular components of a vector in a plane. So, what is rectangular component of a vector? So, student, it means what? Means a vector is resolved into their two perpendicular direction. If a vector is resolved along two mutually perpendicular direction, so component so obtained is known as rectangular component of a vector. And student, here given vector, that is what? Vector A, which is resolved along its two mutual perpendicular direction, that is along x-axis and along y-axis, and the component of vector A along x-axis, which is written as here ax vector, and the component of A along y-axis, so it is written as what? Ay vector. So ax vector and ay vector, that is the rectangular component of a given vector. Suppose student, a vector A, which is shown by the vector OS vector, and the initial position of vector A, that is taken to be what? Origin, and we draw OX and OY two perpendicular axis. And student, from the head of a vector A, we draw a perpendicular SP along x-axis, and also draw a perpendicular SQ along y-axis. And student, using parallelogram law of vector addition, so from this figure, using parallelogram law of vector addition, so student, you know that this is the adjacent side OP and OQ, that is what? Adjacent side of parallelogram, and OS, that is what? Resultant. So here already you know that parallelogram method of vector addition, so OS can be written as what? OS vector can be written as what? OP vector plus OQ vector. And student, OP vector, that is what? Here, that is what? AX vector, and OQ, that is what? AY vector, and OS vector, that is what? Vector A, which is splitting into the AX vector and AY vector. So student, the process of splitting of a vector into two or more vectors such that their combined effect is same as the given vector A. So vector A equal to vector AX plus vector AY, where AX vector is called horizontal or X component of given vector. Horizontal component horizontal component of vector A also along x-axis. So what is the component of vector A along x-axis, which is also known as what? Horizontal, which is known as horizontal component of vector A. So where Ax is called what? Horizontal component of vector A, and which is along x-axis. So Ax vector, that is what? All called x component of vector A or horizontal component of vector A. Similarly, Ay vector, that is what? Ay vector is called vertical component of vector A. Vertical component of vector A along y-axis. So what is the component of vector A along x-axis, that is which is written as what? Ax vector. What is the component of vector A along y-axis, which is written as what? Ay. This formula can also be written as a student. One thing should be remember, that the unit vector I, j, k, which is acting unit vector I, which is acting along x-axis, unit vector j acting along y-axis, and unit vector k acting along z-axis. So student, now this formula can also be written as Ax vector can be written in the form of what? Vector Ax, which is acting along x-axis, and x-axis there will be unit vector, that is what? I cap. So this Ax vector can be written as what? Ax I cap plus Ay j cap. So student, in terms of a component of a given vector in rectangular component, so vector A can be written as vector Ax plus vector Ay, and in terms of cap, unit vector I and j, so any vector can be written in the form of vector A in a plane, in xy plane. So vector A can be written as Axi plus Ayj if vector A makes an angle theta with x-axis. So we know that base by what? Hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, that is what? Here OP vector, that is what? Ax vector, and OQ vector, that is what? Ay vector. But if we write OP means what? Only we have to what? Magnitude Ax. OQ only magnitude means what? Ay. So if we take only magnitude, so that is what? OP, which is Ax. OQ, that is what? So OP only if we take a magnitude, so that is what? And student, also you know that magnitude of unit vector is what? 1. So that is, you already know that unit vector I, which is mod 1, mod I, that is what? Means magnitude of I vector, that is what? 1. Magnitude of Z, magnitude of unit vector J, magnitude of unit vector K, that is what? 1. So if we write a magnitude of this OP vector, so I, that is what? Its magnitude, that is what? 1. So OP can be written as, that is what? Ax. Similarly, OQ can be written as in magnitude Ay, because unit vector, their magnitude, that is what? 1. So if A makes an angle theta with x-axis, so what is horizontal component of vector A along x-axis? So horizontal component of component of vector A along x axis can be written as student base by hypotenuse means what? OP we have to write horizontal component of x axis. So OP base by hypotenuse. OP that is what? OP by OS, only magnitude angle, that is what? Cos theta. And OP that is what? Magnitude of what? AX I cap. So we can write that this is the horizontal component, that is what? OP. So OP can be written as OP, which is written as OS cos theta, and OP is what? Horizontal component of A, and that is what? AX. So horizontal component of vector A along x axis, that is what? OP, and OP that is what? OP can be written as what? AX. So AX can be written as student. OP means what? AX, and OS that is what? Magnitude of vector A, that is what? A cos theta. This is equation 1. And student, what is vertical component of AX? A cos theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So vertical component of vector A, that is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, and this perpendicular PS equal to what? OQ. So that is what? We have to write here, that is OQ, directly we write, because PS, which is equal to what? OQ, or we can write that PS by OP, and which is, that is what? Sin theta, and this PS which is equal to what? OQ, parallel and equal. So OQ, and this is equal to what? PS which is equal to OQ, and it is comes out to be that OP sin theta, and student, this is the vertical component, and this PS which is equal to what? OQ, and vertical component of vector A, that is what? OQ, which is OP sin theta, and OQ that is what? Magnitude of unit vector J, that is what? 1. So magnitude means what? Only numerical value. OQ that is what? AY. So OQ that is what? AY, and OP that is what? O to P. Their magnitude, that is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is what? OS. PS by perpendicular by OS, and OS that is what? A sin theta. So horizontal component of vector A along x axis, which is what? AX, and vertical component of vector A along y axis, that is what? AY. And student, squaring equation 1 and 2 and add. Squaring is 1 and 2, and then we get left hand side squaring, that is what? AX square plus AY square. And student, right hand side A square we have taken outside common, because A square is common to both. A square, and so it is written as, that is what? A square cos square theta plus sin square theta. And students, cos sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is what? 1. So it can be written as AX square plus AY square, which is A square. So this is, so A, that is what? What is the magnitude of vector A? that is what? Ax square plus Ay square, and this is equation number what? 3, and this is the formula for finding the magnitude of a given vector. So A equal to what? Under root Ax square plus Ay square. And student, dividing equation 2 by equation 1. So equation 2 divided by 1. So that is what? A sin theta, left hand side we write A sin theta divided by A cos theta. 2 divided by what? And Ay, that is what? Ay by, that is what? Ax. And student, A cancel out. Sin theta by tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, that is what? Tan theta. So tan theta comes out to be that what? Ay by Ax. Or, and this is the formula for finding the direction of a given vector, resultant vector, tan theta Ay by Ax, or theta equal to what? Tan inverse Ay by Ax. So magnitude of given vector, that is what? A equal to under root Ax square plus Ay square, and direction of the resultant vector can be found by using formula tan theta is equal to what? Vertical component of vector A divided by horizontal component of vector A. So tan theta is equal to Ay by Ax, and horizontal component of vector A, that is what? Ax equal to A cos theta, and vertical component of A, that is what? Ay equal to A sin theta, and squaring both equation 1 and 2, and we have magnitude of given vector. So magnitude of given vector, which comes out to be that is under root Ax square plus Ay square. And student, for numerical purpose, here vector A, that is what? Here vector in rectangular component of vector in a plane, and vector A can be written as what? Vector Ax plus vector Ayj. And in numerical problem, we have to find what its magnitude. Magnitude means what? We take it mod, and what mod of A, how comes out to be that? Here formula comes out to, so magnitude of A, magnitude of vector A, that is what? A. So magnitude of A can be find out, that is what? Removing I and j cap, unit vector is removed, and take the square root and square of Ax square plus Ay square. So magnitude of vector A can be written as, that is what? Remove unit vector ai and j, and you have to write only what? Ax square plus Ay square. Suppose for example, vector A, that is what? 3i plus 4j is given. Student, a vector A which is written as 3i plus 4j, we want to its magnitude. It means what? Mod A. Mod A, that is what? Or A, which is same. So mod A, that is what? Square of this and plus square of this in root by using this formula, omitting unit vector I and j. So how you will find a magnitude of a given vector? So you what? Square means what? Ax square, 3 square plus 4 square. So that is what? This comes out to be that what? So magnitude of vector A or mod vector A, which is equal to 9 plus 16, 25 and root 5, and root 25 comes out to be that 5. So if any vector is given, its absolute value means what? Its magnitude. Only you have to write under root Ax square plus Ay square, or z axis also. So you must write Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. And example 3i plus 4j plus 3k. So you square of 3 plus square of 4 plus square of 3 also. and in this way you can easily find out magnitude of a given vector, and this is the complete explanation of the rectangular component of given vector A in xy plane. Topic student, resolution of a position vector into rectangular component. So student, in the same way, in previous article I have resolved vector A into their rectangular component. So in the same way, here in place of vector A, we take a position vector, and position vector, that is what here shown by vector OP. Suppose that a particle at a point P whose position vector from origin O, that is what OP, which is shown by position vector R, and origin of a position vector, that is O, and we draw two axes OX and OY which are perpendicular to each other. And student, position of the particle which is at a point P at any instant of time, and their coordinates, that is what x and y. So this will be what x value, and this is the y value of particle at any instant of time. Now in the same way we resolve position vector into their rectangular component. So indirectly, so position vector R can be written as position vector R resolved into their rectangular components, and their combined effect is same. So position vector can be written as, for building a concept position vector, how you will write the position vector. So position vector can be written as, in their rectangular component, x component, horizontal component of position vector, that is what xi cap, and vertical component of position vector, that is what yj cap. So student, it can be written using principle of position vector are resolved into their rectangular component using again parallelogram law of vector addition So student, you must write OP, that is what OP vector, that is what OM equal to OM vector and plus ON vector, and OP vector, that is what vector R, and OM vector, that is what horizontal component of position vector, that is what xi cap, plus ON, that is what yj cap. So position vector can be written in the form of their component means for rectangular component. So vector R, position vector, can be written in xi cap plus yj cap. In terms of 3 dimension, position vector can also be written in the form of xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. And student, what is horizontal component of base by hypotenuse? So x by r, horizontal component of r, horizontal component of position vector r, that is what base by hypotenuse. We have taken only magnitude, so magnitude of unit vector, that is what 1. So base, that is what x by, that is what x by r cos theta. So x by r cos theta, so it can be written as x equal to what r cos theta. This is equation 1. And vertical component position vector, vertical component of r, that is what perpendicular by hypotenuse. So indirectly I will write here y equal to r sin theta. So horizontal component of position vector, that is what, x equal to r cos theta, and vertical component of position vector, that is what, y is equal to r sin theta. And if you square it, and squaring equation 1 square plus 2 square, and you will find that x square plus y square, that is what, r square, because r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, r square taken to be common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is what. So right side, that is what, only r square, left hand side x square plus y square. So one thing should be remembered, that if anywhere either in 2 dimension, either in 3 dimension, you have to write the position vector, so you must write down in the form of x I cap plus y j cap, or in terms of 3 dimension position vector s I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap.